I would definitely go with the integrated steering sensor from an off-road equipment perspective. I think it really comes down to the application. I think I bring a little bit of the operator perspective as a mechanical engineer in for visibility, as well as the aspect of space and ultimately cost too from the engineering side. But from an operator's perspective, whatever allows me to do my job the most effectively. There's a lot of opportunities with steering sensors in general.
It depends on the application, which type of steering sensor you would choose. Operators in general, because everybody drives a car, are going to be used to driving with a steering wheel. So I think that is much more common. The newer technology is these smaller rotary sensors, so it gives you some flexibility with that option. There's actually a few other options that I've seen out there. There's some machines have a joystick, then you can use the joystick for steering. There's also on some tracked vehicles in particular, you'll see pedal steering where the operator will use foot pedals to steer the machine. So it all depends on the application, but I think in general, people would prefer the steering wheel just from a non-expert operator perspective.
From an electrical standpoint, I'm going to go down the path of the steering sensor. And I say that because of the simplicity of the system. Still give the people a steering wheel feel that you can integrate with a steering sensor. That way, you don't get away from trying to convert people into a new type of steering. You still have your traditional steering wheel, but from our control standpoint, I can remove all the mechanics and hydraulics out of it and control it electrically. I think that will be something that the future holds, so why not introduce that to the field right now? This is already being implemented into a lot of commercial vehicles as well. Right now, a lot of vehicles are shifting away from the rack and pinion system. My car currently has electronic steering module. It doesn't have the rack. They've moved away from those things and going into this electronic steering assist, and it just way more controllability of the steering wheel. You can put in different lockout ranges. You get more turns per se. You can change all that. So you just have more controls over the system compared to the old traditional rack and pinion.